Export your emails to Google Sheets, Excel, or CSV. As a business owner, I get a lot of leads emailed to me from many different sources. I want to use this tool to export all of those emails to one organized Google Sheet. First, I'm going to search my inbox for the word leads, and then add these emails to a new label. Once my label is created, I can navigate to it and click for options. Here I can save all of the emails in this label to Google Sheets, to Excel, or to CSV. I'm going to click Save Label to Google Sheets. Here I can create a new folder for these emails and click Select Folder. Here I can add a name for the Google Sheet, and here I can enable or disable continuous saving of email messages. When this is enabled, all new email messages that are added to this label will also be added to the Google Sheet. This is great because all of my future emails that include leads and are added to this label will be automatically added to my Google Sheet. Next, I will click Start. Success! My emails are being exported to Google Sheets and continuous saving has been established. I can check the status by clicking here. Here I can see that these emails are in the process of being converted. I can also access this dashboard at any time by clicking this button in the top right corner of my browser window. When the conversion is complete, I will receive an email from cloudHQ. A Google Sheet of all of my emails containing leads has been created, and I now have an organized list of these emails. And now anytime I add an email with leads to this label, my Google Sheet will be updated. And with my organized Google Sheet, I can go through my emails and make sure that I reach out to each lead I get. It's also great for me to see who's sending me the most leads. No one can build a company on their own, so now that I have this info saved to a spreadsheet, I can easily divide it out to my team or send it to a service that I've hired to help. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.